Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be opening up my lashy box for the month of September. I just got it in the mail a couple of days ago. I haven't had a chance to get on yet to record my video. So this is $15.99 a month, I do believe, and you do receive lashes and makeup products in this subscription. And this is the magnetic subscription that I have. I like to use magnetic lashes a little bit better. I do like regular ones too, but I'm still kind of learning on how to use them. And this is what the box looks like when you first open it up. Gotta say, right off the bat, I love the lashes that are in the box so far. We have a Miranda and a Carmen right here. And then this palette right here by Beauty Creations is called That's So Rad. Let's go ahead and get it out of the bubble wrap. I absolutely love the outside packaging. I love the tie-dye on it. The pastel tie-dye is just so pretty to me. It's a cruelty-free brand, so that's good to know. Definitely right up my alley. Super bright colors. And I'm definitely going to get some swatches of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with some swatches. And I went a little overboard on this one, more so than I normally do. I was just so excited to see what the colors looked like. And some of them definitely were powdery, but the color pigment definitely performed on this palette. I gotta say, the colors look absolutely stunning. And I didn't feel like the camera does justice for some of those. That hot pink, though, and that teal color, that looks more blue on camera, but it really looks more teal in real life. Yeah, I'm really excited to play with this palette and see what kind of great looks I can come up with. I'm excited to receive bright colors instead of boring colors all the time, because you can only have so many browns and neutral colors. So definitely looking forward to trying this out. And then also in the box we have from Ruby May, and this is a Mega Hold Magnetic Liner. So definitely going to be putting that to the side. I'm not going to open that one yet because I already have a lot of magnetic eyeliners open right now, and I always like to keep a backup. Then we have from Ruby May Magnetics, and these lashes are absolutely amazing. Very beautiful looking lashes. They even look comfortable. Vegan, cruelty free. I like that, definitely. So that's everything that I had in my lashy box. I'm getting ready to upload my weekly reviews, so just keep your eye out for that video. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.